Hi guys, Peter Filmer here, and I am down in downtown Tacoma at the Triangle Townhomes, and I want to show you my newest listing at 416 6th Avenue. The Triangle Townhomes were actually built in 2005. It's actually a triangular shaped block here where they developed this project. Each one of these units is a little bit different. They were actually kind of ahead of their time back in 2005. They offer a kind of downtown urban lifestyle, and each one of the units is slightly different. Some have rooftop balconies, some have little patios outside with water features, some of them have glass garage doors. It's actually a really cool setup, and you're right downtown in the middle of Tacoma's theater district. So we're gonna go inside and check it out. Okay guys, here we go. Welcome to 416 6th Avenue. These townhomes are typically 3 stories with the garage on the main floor and then typically a second or third master suite. In this case, there is a master suite on the main floor. The main floor is hard surfaces, so it is heated floors. It's wonderful in the winter because that heat goes all the way up through the building. As we go up to the second floor, this is going to be the main floor of the unit with a beautiful maple kitchen, slate counters, and stainless steel appliances. And you will see beautiful south-facing views. As we go up to the third floor, that is the master suite. We have a beautiful 5-piece master bath. The other thing you'll find is that there's all kinds of fun places that are literally walkable from this unit. So guys, if you're interested in the urban lifestyle, living downtown, there are all kinds of options. Triangle Townhomes are just one of them. So shoot me a text, give me a phone call, send me an email. Let's get together and I can take you out and show you some of the options in downtown.